Hey boys and girls, so I hope you've had a chance to check out your Google Classroom where we've included all of our Google Slides to see that this week we're learning all about number 10. There's lots of cool things that you can do with number 10. You can count your 10 fingers, you can count your 10 toes, and we can now say we're filling up our 10 frame. So today we're going to talk all about the number 10, and we've got some new things that we're going to show you. And in fact, Miss Nikki doesn't even have to use her Post-it because our mystery number, I've already told you, is 10. 10 comes after number 9. 10 comes before number 11 on our number line. All right, so let's jump in and get started. So the first thing you're going to take out at home, just like you always do, is your Flip It, Build It, Make It card. And something cool is going to happen on our 10 frame. All right, so I'm going to turn my screen so you all can see. All right, boys and girls, so I have my circles, my red and yellow circles. I have something to put on my 10 frame, and I also have my number. So in the first box we're going to add our 10. And what does 10 look like? It's made up of two numbers side by side. We have a 1 and a 0. Not 1 plus 0, but together we have 10. Whoops, Miss Nikki just knocked hers up on the floor. Let's try that again. So 1 and 0 side by side to make 10. All right, the next thing I want you to do is I want you to take your circles out of your bag. And we're going to make 10 with our circles. I'm going to start with yellow. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5. Is that enough? Not yet. But I wonder how many more I need to make 10. Let's keep counting forward to see, but this time I'm going to use red. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I now have 10. And what's pretty cool is just like on our 10 frame, we filled up this box. We have 5 yellow plus the 5 red to give us 10. And remember, the number 10 is a 1 and a 0 side by side. So that could be our number sentence. It also could be a number bond. 5 and 5 make 10. So this is the cool part. I'm going to get out my big 10 frame so you all can see. And when we talk about a 10 frame, do we have to count the boxes? No. We know that all together there are 10 boxes because it's a 10 frame. Do you remember how many boxes are on top? Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on top plus 5 more on bottom give us 10. All right, so I've got pennies today. Since we're learning about the letter M and pennies are money, I thought we'd use these. So I'm going to fill in without counting the top boxes on my 10 frame. And we just talked about this. So filling in all these boxes, how many do I have? That's right, we know there's 5 and I didn't have to count again. We need to add some more to make our 10. So let's fill in this. And this time I'm going to fill in the bottom box too. All of them. Do I need to count to see how many we have? No way. We know we have 5 on top and 5 on bottom to give us 10. So we have filled up our 10 frame. Way to go, boys and girls. Hopefully we come back to school very soon because I've got some 10 frames for you all to use in the classroom too. All right. Also at your house, Miss Marie and I brought it around, is your new Play-Doh mat. And when we make our 10, it's a straight line down for 1, curve around for the 0. So we're going to take out our Play-Doh, and we're going to build the number 10. I'm going to pinch off a little bit, and I'm going to roll, roll, roll to make that vertical line go down. So here's the number 1. Number 1. But it's got another number as part of it. So I'm going to roll, roll, roll. I may have to use 2 pieces on this one. Whoops. Miss Nikki is not having very good luck with her Play-Doh. All right, I'm going to curve it around. And looks like I need some more because my 10 is not complete. It's not a 0. All right. So let's see if this can complete my number 10. What do you think? Straight line down, and my 0 is to curve around. All right, boys and girls, give this a try at home. I know you all can build it. All right, put my top on my Play-Doh. All right, so this week, we're going to count to 10. 10's a pretty awesome number. So right now, I want everybody, eyes up here. Let's count to 10 together. We're going to count slow and steady so we don't skip a number. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Way to go, boys and girls. So our challenge right now is everybody get out your paper and a marker. I'm going to erase my board. And this is where I like to try to trick you. I'm going to draw 10 different things on my board. And I'm also going to practice writing the number 10. So before I hide my board from you, let's try a 10 together. Remember, it's made up of vertical lines and some curved lines. Straight line down for my 1. Now, we're going to start at the top and curve around. And there's my 0. You notice that they're side by side because if I wrote it like this, that just looks like the number 1 and the number 0. To make the number 10, they have to be side by side. So practice at home. It's a pretty fun number to write. All right, so now it's the tricky part. I'm going to draw 10 different things, and I want you to try it at home as well. Oh, you're going to be really impressed with Miss Nikki today. I've been really trying hard. I'm not going to make any mistakes. I'm even kind of keeping my pictures organized as a draw because remember on our counting collections, when we keep things neat and organized, it's easier to see. All right, are you ready to see what Miss Nikki made? It looks like a bunch of circles, but it's actually snowmen. Let's count how many snowmen I made on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since I kept them neat and organized, they all line up. And I don't even have to count how many on bottom. I can see. I have 5. And 5 plus 5 gives us that magic number 10. Way to go, boys and girls. So Miss Nikki didn't make any boo-boos today. There's also something else pretty cool about 5. So when I wrote that number sentence earlier, I had 1 5, 2 5s. And when we added them, we made 10. But what if I didn't add them together? We were going to create a number sentence where Allie wants to eat the bigger number. Which one does Allie get to eat today? They're the same. Allie likes to eat the greater or bigger number. So when our two numbers are the same, we're going to say they are equal because they're the same. Good job, boys and girls. All right. So Miss Marie and I have been looking around in the closet trying to find some new toys for you all. And guess what? we just so happened to find some dinosaurs. Would you all like to count dinosaurs with me today? Oh, I thought you would. All right, so I'm going to get my dinosaurs ready. Wonder how many dinosaurs I need. How about 10? All right, friends, so I'm going to put the dinosaurs out on the table, and I want you to count along with me. I'm going to turn the screen. Here we go. See my dinosaur? 1 little, 2 little, 3 little dinosaurs. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little dinosaurs. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little dinosaurs. 10 little dinosaurs roaming by the volcano. Let's count them and sing the song again together. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, you ready? Let's sing it together. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little dinosaurs. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little dinosaurs. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little dinosaurs. 10 little dinosaurs roaming by the volcano. Way to go. Now let's try it backwards. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little dinosaurs. 7 little, 6 little, 5 little dinosaurs. 4 little, 3 little, 2 little dinosaurs. 1 little dinosaur left all alone. And if we take him away, we now have 0. Boys and girls, find something at home that you can count 10 of. Sing a little song. Maybe send me a video of it. I hope you all enjoy counting to 10. Bye, friends.